Morning children, welcome to our class. Everybody open your textbook page number 151. In that exercise 11, 6.11, today we are going to learn about the word problems and division of fractions. In that first one, how many pieces of 1 by 4 meter length can Shreya cut from a tape of length 6 1 by 2 meter? Total length of the tape is 6 1 by 2 meter. Each piece, length of each piece is 1 by 4 meter. Number of pieces cut by Shreya. So what we have to do here? Division. See the solution for the first one. Total length of a tape 6 1 by 2 meters. Change this 6 1 by 2. It is a mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1. 13 by 2 meters. Length of each piece. Length of each piece. 1 by 4 meter. Number of pieces cut by Shreya. Number of pieces cut by Shreya. So what we have to do here? Division. So 13 by 2 meters divided by 1 by 4 meters. Here meters cancel. 13 by 2 in the place of division into. After this fraction we have tried the reciprocal. So 4 by 1. 13 into 4 by 2 into 1. So 13 1 not possible. 2 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So 13 into 2 by 1 into 1. So 13 twos are 26. How many pieces? 26 pieces. The tape was cut by 26 pieces. Let's see the second question. The product of two numbers is 2 by 3. One of the numbers is 8. Find the other. Product of two numbers. That means two numbers. When we multiply two numbers, we will get 2 by 3. In that one number we know, we have to find the other number. What we have to do? This 2 by 3 we will divide with 8. We will get the other number. So the second one. Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to 2 by 3. So change this in. This is a mixed fraction. Change into improper. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. 8 by 3. One of the numbers is equal to 8. So we have to find the other number. Other number is equal to 8 by 3 divided by 8. So first 8 by 3 we have to write as it is. Here any number not there, by 1 into write the reciprocal. 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 3 into 8. 8 ones, 8 ones. So remaining 1 ones are 1 into 1 by 3 into 1. 1 ones are by 3 ones are 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. Let's see the third question. Vijay buys 4 1 by 2 kg of cauliflowers. If each cauliflower weighs 1 by 4 kg, how many cauliflowers does he buy? So total cauliflowers weight is 4.5 kg. Each cauliflower weight is 1 by 4 kg. How many cauliflowers does he buy? So like first question, you can do this one. So see here, weight of cauliflowers 4.5 kg, weight of each cauliflower 1 by 4 kg, number of cauliflowers is equal to 4 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. Do ma? You will get the answer. Next fourth question. Sumit travels 6 2 by 3 kilometer in 1 by 3 hours. Sumit travels 6 2 by 3 kilometer in 1 by 3 hours. How much distance would he cover in 1 hour? 1 by 3 hours he covered 6 2 by 3 kilometer. In 1 hour how much distance covered? See the fourth one answer. Distance covered in 1 by 3 hours is equal to 6 2 by 3 kilometers. In 1 by 3 hours, 6 2 by 3 kilometers he covered. Distance covered in 1 hour. Distance covered in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much distance? So, 6 2 by 3 kilometers divided by 1 by 3. So, change this one. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20 by 3 divided by 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 kilometers. So, 20 by 3 into, write the reciprocal, 3 by 4 kilometers. 20 into 3 by 3 into 4. So 23 not possible, 24. 20 and 4 will come in same table, 4 table. 4 ones are, 4 fives are. Here 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. So 5 into 1 by 1 into 1. So the answer is 5 into 1 by 1 into 1. 5 ones are 5 by 1. So the 5 kilometers. In 1 hour he will cover 5 kilometers. Fifth question. 8 1 by 2 bottles. That means 8 end of bottles contain 40 to 2 by 3 liters of water. What is the capacity of each bottle? For 8 end of bottles capacity is 40 to 2 by 3 liters. Capacity of one bottle. So do the subdivision here. See here, capacity of 8 1 by 2 bottles. Capacity of 8 1 by 2 bottles is equal to 40 to 2 by 3 liters. Capacity of each bottle. So 40 to 2 by 3 divided by 8 1 by 2. Like fourth question. Next, see the sixth one. Shilpa has bought 3 kg of dry fruits. She bought 3 kg of dry fruits. She wants to pack them in gift packs of 1 by 4 kg each. How many gift packs will she be able to make? Total how many is there? Shilpa has bought 3 kg of dry fruits. Totally 3 kg dry fruits she bought, ma'am. She wants to pack them in gift packs of 1 by 4 kg each. Each packet, she wants to pack the gift packs. Each packet how many grams? 1 by 4 kg. How many gift packs she will be able to make? See the sixth one solution. Quantity of dry fruits. Quantity of dry fruits bought by Shilpa is equal to 3 kg. Quantity of dry fruits packed in each gift pack. pack in each gift pack is equal to 1 by 4 kg. Number of gift packs gift packs made by Shilpa. Number of gift packs. So 3 kg, 3 divided by 1 by 4 kg. So kg cancel mark. 3 into, write the reciprocal reverse, 4 by 1. So 3 into 4 by 1. 3 4s are 12. So she made with that 12 gift packs. Next, see the 7th question. 1 by 4 liter of a liquid has to be poured equally into 8 bottles. How much liquid will each bottle hold? So liquid 1 by 4 liter of a liquid has to be poured equally into 8 bottles. So totally quantity of milk in 8 bottles 1 by 4 liters. Okay, quantity of liquid in each bottle is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 8. 1 by 4 divided by 8, you will get the answer. Next, a fast moving train is 9 by 10 km away from a tunnel. If it covers 1 by 10 km in each second, how many seconds will it take to enter the tunnel? How many seconds will it take enter to the tunnel? So division, 9 by 10 divided by 1 by 10. You will get the answer. All these problems do in your classwork.